Students, welcome viewers. I am Tutor Cletus Sokole. In today's math class, we want to solve a repeat math question. On the board, it is given if the square root of 6 is raised to power the square root of 12 plus the square root of x equal to 36, then what will be the value of x? Subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Alright, solution to this question. I need to explain it and pay attention to details. Alright, the square root of 6 raised to power the square root of 12 plus the square root of x. Everything is equal to 36. But you know that the square root of x is equal to x raised to power 1 over 2. So I will now express 6 as 6 raised to power 1 over 2, then multiply by the square root of 12 plus the square root of x, all equal to 6 raised to power 2, because 36 is equal to 6 to the power 2. Now, by law of indices, when the bases are the same, the powers becomes equal. Therefore, the bases are the same. I will now have the powers equal, which is 1 over 2 multiplied by the square root of 12 plus the square root of x equal to, 2. Now, I have equated the powers, having cancelled out the bases. At this point, what I will do is to multiply both sides, by 2. And that means I will have 2 multiplied by, multiplied by 1 all over 2, multiplied by the square root of 12 plus the square root of x is equal to 2 multiplied by 2. And what it means is that from the left hand side, that 2 can cancel out 2 to leave me with the square root of 12, then plus the square root of x equal to 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4. The next thing that I will do is to take the square of both sides, because if I have the square root of x all squared, the square will cancel the square root. So the reason why I want to take the square of both sides is because I want to cancel out the big square root. And that means that the square root of 12 plus the square root of x all raised to power 2 is equal to 4 raised to power 2. Raised to power 2. Alright, therefore, power 2 will cancel with the square root to leave me with 12 plus the square root of x equal to 4 raised to power 2, which is 16. Moving forward, I will move this 12 to the right hand side, and then it will give me the square root of x equal to 16 minus 12. Also, the square root of x is equal to 4, 16 minus 12. Also, to remove the square root, just like I did here, I will take the square of both sides, and that means the square root of x all to the power 2 is equal to 4 to the power of 2. And this is now going to give me that power 2 will cancel out with the square root, leaving me with x equal to 4 to the power 2, which is equal to 16. Final answer. I want to test my result, meaning I want to replace the value of x equal to 16 into the given question. And that means, testing the result, I have the square root of 6 raised to power the square root of 12 plus the square root of x. Is it equal to 36? So I replace the value of x as 16, because that is what I got. When the two sides becomes equal, or if the left hand side gives me 36, it means that the value of x is very correct. Therefore, I have from here have it that the square root of 6 raised to power the square root of 12 plus the square root of 16 instead of x. I have now replaced x with 16. Is it equal to 36? But then square root of 16 is 4, and the 4 plus 12 is also 16. Alright, therefore I have square root of 6 raised to power square root of 16. Square root of 16 here is 4. 4 plus 12 is 16, so I have square root of 16. Is this going to give me 36? But square root of 36, 16 here is 4. Meaning that I will now have, and also remember that 6 square root of 6 is the same thing as 6 raised to power 1 all over 2. Then multiply by square root of 16 here is 4. Is this equal to 36? Yes, because 2 here we cancel out with the 4 to give me 2. So I now have 6 raised to power 2 left. Is it equal to 36? Yes. 6 to the power of 2 is equal to 36, which is equal to 36, implying that the value of x, which we got to be 16, is very correct. Thank you for watching to the end. Subscribe to my channel and like my videos. I remain Tutor Cletus Okoli. God bless you.